Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things beauty related, all kinds of makeup content. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. Today's video is this everyday natural eyeshadow look. It's perfect for fall. I'm using the iconic Makeup by Mario palette, and it's just a super, looks like you try but not matte brown eyeshadow look. And I'm trying out the Ardell Naked Press-On Lashes. These are the ones that require no glue. It's supposed to look super natural and easy to use. So I'm trying those out for the first time, and we're gonna jump right into it. All right guys, this is gonna be a fall eyeshadow tutorial, and then I'm gonna try out these new lashes. So I love that these are no glue needed press-on lashes that you put underneath your lashes, and they just looks super, super easy and super natural. So I will have a video coming where I'm gonna compare Kiss and Ardell to each other, but today I can't really do like a wear test or anything. So I'm just gonna do this fall eyeshadow look, and I'm probably gonna use, I think I'm gonna use the Ardell. So I'm gonna take a fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is a BK Beauty 212. It's a really fluffy dome brush, so soft. I love BK Beauty's brushes, and I'm gonna go in with the original Mario palette. I have both of them. So this is the original Master Mattes palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. Like, this palette is perfect for every day, all seasons, but definitely fall. I feel like this palette just screams fall. So I'm gonna take this second shade. This is one of my favorite everyday crease shades. It's like a yellow tone brown. So I'm gonna load up my brush, tap off the excess, and I'm going to blend this right into my crease, just kind of giving some definition. Nothing too crazy. This is going to be a very natural everyday fall look that will look like you tried but didn't try too hard. I know they say eyeshadow isn't in anymore, but I do like to wear a natural matte brown type of look. I'm gonna go over to my other eye. And always try your best to make sure they match. All right, so next, this is a ColourPop brush. ColourPop's brushes are so good. This is the E16. Looks like that. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This one, which would be 6 or 7. So that one. This is like a really perfect red tone brown shade. So I always tap off the excess and then just use tapping motions and put this in my outer V. Way outer V. And to find out where your outer V is gonna be the white spot past your iris. So your iris is your colored spot, and it's gonna be the white triangle on the outermost part. And see how if you just tap on a little bit and just blend it out, it gives you such a nice, subtle blend. Some people don't like his eyeshadows. They say they're too dry. I love them. I think they're so easy to work with. So just tap it in like that and then blend it out, keeping it way out here. This helps open up your eye and not close it off. You could always just kind of keep the look like this. This is kind of like what I do for every day. Just a really soft, subtle little eyeshadow. Nothing super dramatic, but try and make them both equal as possible. So now I have this What's Up Beauty brush. This is the R105. It looks something like that. I mean, you can do the same technique and look with different brushes, especially if your eyes are different shapes or you're going to be using different size brushes versus the ones I'm using. But pretty much I want like a flat blending brush like that. And I'm going to go in with the shade next to it, which is so like number 8. This one right here. And this time I'm just gonna do like a soft upper crease blend to kind of lift the look. I mean, they're pretty much the same color, but I just kind of want to like blend out the outer V like above it and into my crease to just lift the look. Shade 8, same brush, same technique, going right above where we went before, up in the crease to give it a nice lifted look. See how it's like lifting, but also very subtle and natural. And then same brush, same shade, tap out the excess. I just want to touch this here on my lower lash line, outer V, lower lash line. This will help balance the top and lower. And on just like a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the third shade and I'm just gonna tap that here on the eyelid, just so everything can kind of blend together. I mean, be careful because it's pigmented, so you're just gonna like tap it here, and then we're gonna blend it out with the other brushes. See how this one is like, make it nice and bright. Taking that What's Up Beauty brush and then going in with the crease and the outer V. Like that. All right, so here's my favorite part. So just make sure they match. They match pretty well. If you think the edges are ever kind of like crazy, you can always just take a brush and just soften up the edges here, like that. Like this one is way more well blended than this one. I don't know what happened over here. So I just want to kind of like touch in here and just blend everything. So I like to take these two brushes. This is an eyeliner brush and this is just a flat brush. This is by a Amazon brush brand called Up. I'll have it linked below. But I'm gonna take this flat brush for now. And I wanna go in with the red tone in here, which is this one down here. And I'm gonna pat my brush on, tap off some of the excess, and then rub that along my lash line. This is gonna give you such a nice, subtle, smoky, like winged eyeliner look. And I'm just gonna bring it all the way to stop where my lashes are, like right here. You know, stamp, mess it around, but don't like, you can be messy with it, but also be careful. Yeah, because it is a dark shadow. So you're just gonna like pretty much smudge this around the lash line like that. And look how it just kind of like changes the look, but make sure lashes look thicker. So we're gonna do that to the other eye. Looks so pretty. And you're gonna take that brown as well, tap off the excess and just kind of run it under those lashes here as well. Just the outer half. Like that. See how it kind of pops your eyes, that looks like you're not like trying that hard. Again, just try and do your best and make them match. You're gonna put like false lashes on, mascara. So as long as it's like somewhat, you know, messy, you're good. I like this eye so much better. I always have a favorite eye. This one is my winner. So then you're gonna take that liner brush like this and we're gonna do a shadow wing. So I'm gonna go in with that same brown. Having it be a brown eyeshadow just makes it look so much more natural. Tap off the excess and you're gonna bring it up to the tail of your brow. So, like this. See how it's just like a very subtle, and you're just gonna bring it like that. If you ever take it too far like I just did, just take your finger and just kind of rub it away. Just be gentle not to rub off your makeup that much. So it'll look something like that. And then we're gonna do the other eye, same thing. bringing it up towards the tail of our brow. Kind of using like a stamping motion to just set it, and then you're gonna bring it here. And it's okay to be like a little not perfect with it because you are gonna like blend it out. Like I kind of messed this one up a lot, but you know what, that's okay. So you're just gonna take a blending brush. We're gonna use one we used earlier, the What's Up Beauty brush, and then you're just gonna blend it out. And that's like really gonna soften up this wing. Like that. See how now it's just like a super soft wing. Not harsh at all. Very effortless. You can even like drag it like into the crease some. And you can just like drag out, blend out the lash line as well. So we just kind of want this like shadow defined area, but like also like very, you know, playful. And so if you ever just want to like clean it up a little bit, you can take this under eye setting brush and just rub it back and forth under it, and it'll kind of like disperse that brown eyeshadow. And you want to make sure the under eye part is really blended. You just want this like soft look, you know, using one eyeshadow palette. And then if you want to have fun with it, you can apply some green eyeliner, some brown eyeliner, but I am going to apply my L'Oreal nude eyeliner. This will brighten up my eye look. All right, and then before I apply the false lashes, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm gonna apply some Caviar mascara. See how even without the false lashes, just the mascara just makes it look so much more natural. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry. If you look at the difference here, I don't really like how Kisses are all the same size. There's like only medium and large. I thought there would be small, but it looks like there isn't small. And I got this on Amazon. But Ardell, do you see how they have different sides or different sizes? I think these look better. So I'm gonna use these ones. But first I'm gonna wait for all of this to dry. All right, here are the Ardell lashes. We're going to try and to apply them. So all it says is no glue needed. Yeah, it looks like there's not really any directions. Looks like you just pull them off and put them on with the tool. Here's the picture in the back. Let's see how quick I can do these. So let's time. I'm gonna start my timer. Okay, so I already messed up. So what I did was, I can probably still use it. Okay. What I did was I actually took it off by the glue thingy. Okay, so let's put this one here. Oh my gosh, look how natural that looks. Holy cow. All right, so now I'm gonna take a 10. This time I'm doing it the right way. I'm taking them off by, I'm gonna hold them like this again. Lift up my lid and apply them like there. Oh my gosh. Look how natural that is. Guys, I'm obsessed. This is definitely gonna be my new like go-to false lashes. I'm obsessed. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with one of the smaller ones maybe. I'll go with another medium. So again, holding it only by the hair. I mean, look how natural that is. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing false lashes. I will say though, you probably have to take an eyelash curler and like curl them up, you know? Wow, like look at that. Doesn't even look like I'm wearing false lashes. So cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into one of the smaller ones. The only downfall of these lashes I have heard is that you like really have trouble reusing them. Look at that. All right, oops. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Yes, 3 minutes and 12 seconds to do this one eye. And you know how you gotta wait for the lash glue to dry. And of course, this was me doing it for the first time, so really impressed. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. They do look super, super natural. So I may be messing up my eyeshadow because I'm like pulling my lid. So I feel like this one isn't sticking like the other ones. This time I'm gonna try to do it without putting my lash like this. Whoa, okay, so that was a fail. All right, so we're seeing how they work in real life. Because I hate when people like are like, oh, it's so easy. And I'm like, I'm sure this person struggled a bit. And you know what? This one's not that sticky for some reason. Oh, maybe because it's on my lid. Oh, look at that. Okay, so here's a real life thing. The glue, or was it my mascara? Probably my mascara, never mind. Got on my eyeshadow. So let's see if this will stick. I feel like this one's not sticking. All right, so here's another one. All right, so this is good to test with, you know? So my eyes did water a little bit. This eye was so much easier than this eye. Um, they do look really, really natural, almost like too natural. I don't know. But you can't even tell I'm wearing false lashes, can you? I feel like you really cannot even tell. But yeah, that was really impressive. So I did use up quite a bit of the lashes. So this is probably gonna get you like 3 uses for about, what was this, like $13–10? It's kind of pricey because like I can use a pair of lashes over and over again for a while. And I do like the tool. The tool is super helpful. Like you definitely need the tool. I don't know why this one's falling off, but I don't want to waste another one. There's like no sticky stuff on here. I wonder why that happened. So now I'm gonna apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. With a small detailing brush, I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier highlighter and just highlight my inner corner. All right, guys, this is my very wearable fall eyeshadow look and trying out the Ardell Naked Press-On Lashes. This eye looks great. This eye doesn't. I definitely think you need some practice when applying these. They are pretty easy, but I will definitely need some practice. So that completes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.